Hello guys, welcome to more videos, and today we're gonna play Valentine's Hobby again. So anyways, this could be brand new. So anyways guys, I'm gonna beat this game for a while. Anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So why does the girl so fast? I need to just beat her, okay? So anyways guys, I'm going to get stage. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So now I'm gonna make a new video. I'm gonna make a short video guys for now on. Okay, so anyways guys, I'm now going to get pro. Do not fall. Oh my goodness, and now I'm not gonna get fall. I'm going to get stage 100 guys. So anyways guys, who's that thing? Oh, stop chatting it or else. Ooh. Oh, I'm easy. Ooh, wow. Okay, why there's so mosquito there? Why they always trying to just beat it? Okay guys, so I'm now going to get stage 100. I swear guys. So we're going to get, they has 88%. I saw it first. There has only 6 players in this server. So anyways guys, what's that? No! Okay, so now on, why is it new? So in this game, oh my goodness, why am I supposed to fall this? So anyways guys, I'm going to speedrun. I wanted to speedrun this, okay? So anyways guys, I'm getting really old for now. Play this game. So anyways guys, and now I'm going to beat this game. And now I'm going to upload this game for a while. Okay, now this could be the gamer play. The gamer videos. The gamer channel of this game. Okay. So anyways guys, I'm now going to just keep playing for now on. Okay. We got stage 16. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Invite friends. No, I don't want to invite friends. I don't care. No. Okay. So anyways guys, I'm not dying now. Why you like this man? I'm now going to just trying to just eat easy. Also guys, now I'm going to get the stage 100 and now I'm going to choose. Okay. I'm going to choose. Let me choose. Next. Okay, I'm now going to choose. What's the guy? No! Work so easy. Okay, where? Oh, there. Wait, let me choose. I should choose this. Okay, I should choose what everyone guys. So I'm not going to speedrun this and go. Okay. So what and go? I'm not easy. Oh, mom. Why? Okay. Let's wait. Oh my god. Okay, and now it is so hard. Nah, wait. Nah, I don't care. Nah, I don't care. It's so easy. You're hard and I don't care. You're hard and I'm easy. He is so dumb that I don't care. Do you like school? I don't know. I don't know guys. I don't know. Nah, I don't care because I'm easy. What the heck? Okay. Nah. Let me do it only. I don't know. Let me do it on AK camera TikTok trick. Why? Why is it so? I don't know what to talk about this. Bro, mosquito. Oh my god, annoying mosquito. No. Okay, now I'm going to this. I'm going to get more and more stage. Bro, why is it my armpit looks wet? I now am going to get no more wet for now on, but I need to speedrun this. Now I'm going to get speedrun. Okay. Well, stop! I don't want to watch it. Easy. You made the wrong way, girl. I don't care. I don't care, people. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I have a question. I like this game because it's so easy. You're hard and I'm easy. I don't care. Ah! Come on, I need to beat. Okay, come on. I wanna beat this. Oof. Oh! You can't do this. Oh, so easy. I need to speedrun this, okay? Okay. What? No! Why? Because it's easy. Wait, let me choose the right thing. Ah, wait! Stop. I think I just got. Now I will choose. What? Oh wait. Dwayne B. Ah, noob. I'm going to rush it. Okay, I'm gonna rush. I'm gonna speed run. Come on. I'm gonna just say speed run. We need to speed run. Speed roll. Is that speed roll? Why? So come on. I wanted to beat this. What's that? Can I just beat this game? Yes, I can. I wanted to beat this game. Did I just? Oh, I just made it. Did I pass away? Let me cheat, okay? 41. Yes. Oh. Nah. I'm gonna cheat. Yes. It's so easy, guys. And now I'm going to speed run. We're gonna get 50 and 60 and 70, 80, 90, 20, 100. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Did I just made the wrong way? Wait. Hold on. I didn't even just. Where? Where is it? Okay. I forgot to do this. Okay. Let me just speed run this. Okay. Let me speed run. Okay. 44. Yes. Come on. Let's go. No. Do not fall. Okay. Do not fall. We need to slide in. We need to slide in Squid Game. Wait. Oh wait. Yeah. 46. Come on. Let's go. We need to speed run this. I need to speed run. Why do you obsess chatting? What are you doing? What do you think? Ever. Okay. Next thing. Okay. Oh, you got 48. Come on. Don't fall. Don't die. I didn't even die. I didn't even touch the laser. Wait, I didn't even touch the laser again. Okay. So I need to just beat this game. Only got 50. Almost to 60. Okay. Guys, we're now setting on. Okay. Setting on now. Okay. We need to stop falling. Okay. Stop falling. Come on, I need to beat this game. Okay. So why are always doing this? We only got 60. Yes, I did. Yes, you're a new friend. I don't know. I don't mind you. I don't know. I need to beat this game. I know how to beat this game. Okay. We only got reach to 60, I think. Okay, we need to reach to 60. Okay, we only reach to 55. Come on, we can do this. We can do this now. Yes. We can do this. Okay. Yes, we're going now. Yes. 55. Right, what's that? 50. What the heck? Wow, I win. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Okay, I forgot. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. What the heck? Wait, hold on. I would just win. I just beat this game, guys. What's that? Hold on. What's that? Hey, yo, I just beat this game, guys. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. So, goodbye, guys.